Hi guys, welcome to Tutorial Soup. It's Andrew here. Um, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a little bit more about jQuery and how to customize and create a nice looking app. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how easy it is to, for example, take a website and then quickly convert it into a scaled down kind of app which you can create quite easily. For example, let's take the jQuery site. If I can save this image to desktop. My jQuery. Let's put it in the images. jQuery logo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an image to the top of the page, to the top of the content. So I'm going to put it here. So I'm going to add an image tag, images, and what the file was, it was jQuery PNG. So I'm going to load the index file up in Safari. Safari seems to emulate jQuery better. It seems to just display everything slightly better than it does in Chrome, so I'm going to use Safari. Reduce the size of it. There you go, there's jQuery logo. What I'm also going to do is get rid of this header and the hello world, and then put in some other customizable content. So what we want to do at the moment is get rid of this header. So we'll get rid of that and save it. And get rid of the hello world. Rubbish. There we go. And now I'm going to go over to the jQuery website, and I'm going to go to the content formatting, collapsible content blocks like I talked about in the other tutorial. I'm going to grab the code for the theming collapsible headers. I'm going to go back over to the code, and it's a simple case of pasting it into the content. And I'm going to be pasting it into here. Probably just need to be indented that much, but if I go back to the Safari, we have a nice little collapsible header, and you can even change it to a different theme here. So I could use C. See what that one is. That's pretty cool. You can even change this one to A and the other one to I'll leave that one at C. You can change the header name. So jQuery is cool. This is cool design. There you go. You can also just create another collapsible element. You can just copy and paste. See, creation. View steps. This app be in the app store in no time. Right. What we can also do is add a few more things. So we go back to home. We can add form elements. So you could have some checkboxes in here. So we could have an agree box, a box that says I agree. Which we could put here. Oops. Just clean it up slightly. Is this cool? Sorry, is this app cool? I've got two boxes for some reason. And we could also then perhaps add another image, maybe. Let's try another form element. Kind of text area. Just copy and paste this. And this will put a text box in your design. There we go, and there's a text input. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to make. It's pretty easy to make and design an app quite quickly. I mean, this is just very, very basically just grouping a few things together, but you can take more time over it. But with the built-in styles and JavaScript, it just makes life a whole lot easier. You don't have to physically do all this styling yourself. I mean, it takes you so long to do this separately. I mean, all we're doing is literally copying and pasting. And I mean, if it's this quick, I mean, it's so quick and easy to just make a rough app really quickly to perhaps show to a client, to show what the possible end result could look like. It could be for your own business, making an app, and it's not that hard. It's not going to take too much longer to actually refine this and save it as an APK file, and finally uploading it to the App Store. It's a pretty simple process nowadays, and we're in a very lucky position to be able to create apps this quickly. In the next few tutorials, I'm going to show you a couple more things with jQuery, and I'm going to introduce you to a couple new programs. One called PhoneGap, and another is called the Eclipse IDE. I'm going to show you how to use jQuery, PhoneGap, and Eclipse together to produce and finalize your app, and eventually I will show you how to register with Google Play to upload your app. So that's it for this tutorial, and I will see you on the next one.